Hey, everybody, this is Dr. J and Kamal streaming live from Long Island, New York. Pretty nice day today.
Yes,
I
it
didn't
is.
have a chance to get to the beach today, though. Let's see what the charts say. Wall Street was not happy today. I have to set the record straight with Professor Omar. He's not happy with the way I communicated his position. So let me try to read what he said. He said, let's see what he said. He said, he said, I was long for a bounce on Friday. We had that bounce. Now I am short. So in other words, he turned short on Monday, right? As long as we don't close above 63.70 to 75, I will remain short until 6,000 SPX. He's going to come on and explain his own position because
Okay.
every time I try to interpret it, I get it wrong because he makes so many changes so quickly. You know what I mean?
I thought you mentioned that yesterday that he was short.
I thought I did, but he says I gave the wrong impression. I don't know because I said he was long, but he was long temporarily.
Yes. But if he explains it himself, would be easier. I like to see his charts.
Yeah. I mean, I can't really talk for him. Even when I read what he tells me, I could get it wrong. He's got to come on himself. He said he would. In fact, he said he'd come on tomorrow, but I don't know if I can do the show tomorrow.
Okay.
So, I mean, he made a great call on Friday to close the
Yes,
show.
he did.
That we have to give him credit.
Absolutely.
And he made an even better call going long at the same time. But and then I suppose he made a third good call, shorting it on Monday. So it sounds to me like he's making great calls, but yet he's saying I'm misinterpreting. So I don't know. I'm not going to misinterpret anymore. Let him come on. This is Ethereum. Ethereum. It's trading within the lines. It's doing like what Bitcoin does. Trading within the narrow range, like 3,500 to 3,750. A little bit above, a little bit below. And I think it'll do that for a while. And so do I think Bitcoin will. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Same thing, right? Between the
Yeah.
lines. And I think people tell me that they're making money trading it, taking advantage of it. It's quick, in and out, quick. I think
Yeah.
that's your style, not mine. This
Yes.
is I tried to make the lines parallel instead of intersecting. And
Yeah. I
I
did them
think I did
different.
a fairly good job. I could try again. Let me redo it. Maybe I'll do better. Uh, channel channel is where's the channel? There's the channel. So the top would be right. Well, maybe the top would be right where this line is. Yeah, I
Nope.
think I think that's the top. Can't delete that. All right, let's draw that from here. What the hell? Trying to draw this channel. It's not, I can't grab it. My drawing skills lack comp, lack something. There we go. Finally. That's more or less it. There we go. So this is the channel with a lot of hits on both the upper and the lower. I don't know what this other line is, but whatever. What do you think? Did I draw it okay? Does that exemplify where we are?
Kind of, yes. I mean, you could draw it this way. I drew it differently, but you could take a look at my graph later, my chart later.
Okay. So
I
SPY is still.
We had a much narrower channel.
To me, SPY is still bullish.
Yes.
I mean, if it comes down, you have this line at 617, and then you have the 50 at 612. And does it have to go to 600? 600 is right in there. That's Professor Omar's target. Could be.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Apple is trading very anemically. Even yesterday, when the market was flying, it was turned in a red candle. Apple looks sick. And what choices did I have to catch up with AI? I mean, they're probably going to buy Perplexity, and they'll overpay for it, and they'll go down when they do that. Just like Pan W went down buying CyberArk. Oftentimes the acquirer goes down.
Yep.
So I don't see this being a good buy at this point. I guess it's a hold if you have a certain amount that you don't want to get rid of. I sold a little, but what I did with the money wasn't that great. I sold this to buy IWM, and as you know, IWM was not a great performer. So
Right.
I didn't do wonderful, but I didn't make a mistake doing it, not yet anyway. Professor Omar's down on IWM, at least last time he was on the show. Maybe he changed his mind. Changes very often, that gets me into trouble. This is IWM, and it's come down to trend to, what is that, the 200. It's come down to the 200. And it found support there. So, it's also trading in a trading range, 215 to 226. The last month at least, right? Trading range.
Yep.
And then if you extend the time period, the trading range is bigger, 208 to 226.
I mean, you could see a channel there. I mean, it hit the bottom of the channel and went back, bounced back up.
Yeah, you could. Absolutely could. Yeah, I'll draw a trend line. Something like that. Trading below the trend line that I just drew anyway.
Mm-hmm.
It's weak, but it maybe bad. I think the switch I made may not be bad. I switched from Apple into this. May not be bad. Take a look at MicroStrategy. This has been a yo-yo, right?
Yeah, I sold it the other day.
You've been making in and out. You've been doing good.
Yeah, I bought it back again. End of market.
Yeah,
374.74 exactly. I bought it at 374.
Yeah, so you're in it now?
I'm in it now, as of like 4
so you're
o'clock.
back in it.
Yeah.
You don't look for much, 10, 15 points, right?
Yeah,
10, 10 or 15 points.
10, 15
You're not looking for
points.
big things.
No.
If it goes up to the 50, you might sell, in other words.
Yes.
395,
Yep.
20 points. 200 is down here. The 100 is it's sitting on the 100 right now.
Yep.
It's actually sandwiched between the 100 and 50.
Correct.
The one, yeah. Good support at the 100. Let's check Lilly again.
I sold it.
Lilly is, you did.
I sold it.
So you wanted to
7
buy more. Professor Spike wanted to buy
767.67.
more. What it hit the what line is that? It's finding resistance at the 50.
Yeah.
You see that? Up to the 50
Yep.
bounce. But Novo is, I think, still going down. We looked at Novo the other day. Should I do it on the same chart? Nah,
No.
I'll change it. NVO.
Did you buy it? Did you buy NVO?
No, I wonder if John Bory, you know what I mean?
Mm. It broke out a little bit. The last like 10 seconds. It was silent.
I guess you could nibble, right? You buy a little bit, keep buying. But there's
I've been
three
buying.
things against it, right? Competition from Lee, the tariffs, and also competition from him, HIM. HIM is cheap generics, and that's competition. I don't know, it's not loading. Don't know
Control
why.
R. Control R.
Too late. Maybe I'll just try again. And it was down again, but at some point, I think that it'll slow.
You remember we talked about Palantir yesterday?
Maybe I'll try this side. NVO. Another one that got cut in half. How did it do today, Palantir?
Went up 12 points.
It's not loading. I'm going to give up on this. Really? It's annoying to me. Oh, it's loading now. Down version of the weight loss drug. So that's hurting them, I think. So there's a few things hurting them, and there is a bottom underneath though. So maybe it's not that bad. It could. What about right here at 56.72? Oh, what am I talking about? Traded lower.
It's already below 50.
And if I didn't see all of them, yeah, it's below 50. So you got to go way back 3 years or more to see it. Let me draw the line.
But that's like bottom fishing, you know. It doesn't make me feel good.
It is exactly bottom fishing. And the only way you can do this is with a small amount of money set aside to buy at regular intervals. It's the only way because you don't know where the bottom is. So over here looks like a possible bottom, $33. That's a long
Wow.
way from where it's trading now. So you don't know where the bottom is. Gotta be very careful with this one. I mean, I know it looks like a bargain compared to where it was trading. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's not a bargain. Trump wants all pharmaceuticals made in America. Did you hear him? That's what he said just yesterday, I think. All pharmaceuticals should be made in America. And that's not going to help Novo.
No, definitely not.
So 32.21 would be the bottom that I see. It
That's a
might
lot
get
of
there.
pain for people.
Yeah, that's why I said I was told Ogden, buy it with very, very little money if you're going to buy it. He was ready to buy on the spot. It just scared me because even though I said I like it, in a disciplined way, not to go all in. Not the way you do it anyway. I would never do that. I don't do that with any stock. What you do, I don't have the stomach for it. You're a gutsy guy. I
I
wouldn't.
go.
You go all in. I can't buy it. I wouldn't sleep nights.
No, I sleep like a baby. No problem.
You're a good man. I can't do that. I really can't. But when I was younger, I could do it. Maybe that's what it is.
I'm
Everything.
thinking I'm old, man. I'm thinking I'm old.
You're not old. You're young.
Okay.
It's funny. I would say until the age of 60, I could tolerate most gambles. But after that, it becomes harder to tolerate losses.
Yeah.
And yeah. So Novo, I like it, but the but is important. I realize it could go down a lot more. So you got to be very
You want to check nail?
Yeah, I like Nail, the interest rate play.
It's the 50 is gonna cross the 100.
I almost bought it today when you texted me, but I didn't do it.
Yeah. Just do 6 months. You're too far out.
All right.
Or 3 months, whatever you want to do.
Yeah, it's come alive.
And you see the 50 is gonna cross the 100, which I'm expecting to happen tomorrow.
And you hold it until
And that's a good thing.
And your target is $81, right, at the 200.
Yeah, I think 80. I put a sell order at 80.
Sure. Essentially the 200.
Yeah.
I like that trade. I do like that trade. It's heading in the right direction. Green, green, green. I like that. And basically, you're getting a lot more bang for your buck than if you bought IEF or
Right.
TLT, right? Same
Yeah.
idea, but you get more bang for. So, for example, let's show IEF, 10-year bond. You make very little. I mean, the chart looks good, but it's only from 94 to 96. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Small range. True, it looks like a good chart. You could buy this, but what are you going to make? 6 points? If you're lucky.
And same thing here. Something is crossing the other thing. I don't know your lines, the color of your lines.
50 is crossing the 100.
Yeah, that's
It
also a good,
crossed the 200
positive.
back here.
Yeah, that's a positive cross.
So it's looking. Yeah, I mean, I'm not saying you can't buy this, but nail just has a little more juice. You know what I mean?
Right.
A little more bang.
I also
But
bought
this one, if you want to hold, what did you buy?
BMNR. I bought lots of it.
Oh, you bought more of that?
Yeah.
BMNR. It's been flatlining, but it's a good sign. It's building a strong base.
Yeah.
And I think 46 bucks is doable for a swing
So
trade.
that's 50%. That's 50%. That's pretty good.
It's very good. Well, there's no other resistance till that point.
Correct.
So why not? And if it goes like I don't know. I don't know what your stop loss would be on this. Hopefully, you don't have to
If you
employ
click
it.
on the 1 month,
1 month,
mhm,
that'll give information.
I mean, it's already at the bottom. You see, it's already, and just scroll up, just push up the graph up, or to the left, a little bit to the left. It's not working for you?
Can't grab it.
Yeah.
No, I can't
Just
grab
to
it.
the left.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like that. So it's already at the bottom of that channel.
Yeah.
Anyway,
It
I'm
definitely
taking a
looks
big
like
bet
it's
on
facing.
it.
Well, the thing I like about it is no resistance all the way to 48. That's what I like about it. Of course, if it goes below that line, you can take a small loss. You don't have to wait for a big loss. Always take a small one.
Yeah, what I'm trying to
All
say is
right.
that
So
it's been steady. It's been steady at that level as far as bottom line. You know.
yeah. All right.
It's
Anything else you want to look at before we call it a day?
bull, BULL.
Bull. And also, let's look at Boyd Motors. This is Web Bull, right?
Yeah.
The monthly is interesting. Also, clearly bottomed. Let's take a look at the daily. Real bottoming formation here. Looks playable. Brokers are doing well. I like this one. And what was the other one? Boyd. Arjon did buy Boyd.
Yeah.
BYDDS.
It's not moving much. It's not moving much.
He said 13 he's out and 20 he's out. He's swinging it. It's not a bad.
Yeah.
It's good odds, you know. Willing to lose $1.20 to make 6.
Yeah.
Good odds. You got to hit it. That's all. If you lose this bet 3 times and win it once, you're still ahead. I think. Right?
Mm-hmm.
If $1.20
Yeah.
3 times is $3.60, and you win $6 once, you double your money. You only have to win 1 out of 4 trades like this. And that's what I'm trying to say. Anything else before we call it a day? I'm going to call it. What did the gift
No.
say? Oh, the gift wanted bull. Yeah. 1.2 billion
Yeah,
cash.
that's why I called it.
I like all the brokers. It must be an ETF. I asked you the last time, but I didn't look it up. It must be. All right, future thoughts?
I am bullish.
Did you buy
Near
nail or
term.
you just own some?
I own some
You're
from a
bullish
while
nail.
ago. I'm
You
definitely
had it for a
bullish
while.
nail. Yes.
But what you bought
And
recently is
BMNR. I bought a lot of it.
BMNR is your. Okay. I'm going to go with you on that one. I think I might buy more BMNR and more what's the other one? BTBT and maybe some
TBT.
SBET.
Yeah.
I'll buy all three of them maybe. Adios amigos. Subscribe. Give us a like. Don't forget
Cool.
to tell your friends about us. I don't know if we'll be back tomorrow or Thursday. I'm not sure. Ciao. Thanks for coming, everyone.
Okay.